Good day, I am Shikaina Masilang, your interviewer for today. Thank you for taking the time to join us. We're excited to have the opportunity to get to know you better and discuss how your skills and experience might be a great fit for this position. This interview will take about 10 minutes and will consist of series of questions designed to help us understand your qualifications and how you handle various work situations. And now, let's proceed.
Good morning, and thank you for having me today. I'm excited about the opportunity to be interviewed for the non-voice role. I have a deep interest in technology, which helped me develop the ability to adapt to new tools and systems quickly. I believe these qualities align well with the responsibilities of this role, and I'm eager to contribute my enthusiasm, strong work ethic, and adaptability. I thrive in environments where I can learn and grow, and I look forward to discussing how I can add value to your team and the continued success of the company.
First is, tell me about yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mark Franzentang. I am currently a student at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, taking up diploma in information technology. I have always been passionate about technology and design. I have experience in creating e-posters and flyers using Canva, used to promote our family business, and I am continuously enhancing my skills by exploring new tools and technologies. My goal is to build a career in technology, focusing on creative digital solutions.
Thank you. Now, for my second question, what motivates you?
My family and a positive outlook inspire me to excel in all aspects of life. I'm deeply motivated by my passion for continuous learning and skill development, which I see as essential for both personal and professional growth. Supporting others, such as contributing to my mother's business, has instilled in me a strong sense of purpose and teamwork. I thrive on embracing challenges as opportunities to grow and am dedicated to achieving my goals through determination and a positive mindset. I believe these qualities align perfectly with the values of your company, and I am eager to contribute meaningfully by applying my skills, enthusiasm, and commitment to success in this role.
For my third question, what would you do if you were given a task you've never done before?
If I was assigned a task I've never done before, I approach it with a positive mindset and a willingness to learn. I will start by researching or seeking guidance if necessary, and then I will break it into manageable steps to ensure progress. I view this situation as an opportunity for growth and skill development, and I remain focused on completing the task to the best of my ability.
For my fourth question, what are your strengths?
My strengths include being a quick and adaptive learner, maintaining a positive attitude in challenging situations, and staying determined to achieve my goals. I'm skilled at managing tasks effectively and collaborating with others to ensure work is completed efficiently and successfully.
Great. Now, we're down for the last question. What are your salary expectations?
I am open to discussing the salary based on the responsibilities of the role and the company's budget. My primary focus is securing a position where I can grow, make a meaningful contribution to the team, and develop my skills further. With that said, I am seeking for a competitive salary that fairly reflects my skills, experience, and the value I bring to the role.
Thank you for your thoughtful responses. I appreciate the time you've taken to share your experiences and insights with us today. We'll be reviewing all of the candidates and we'll reach out to you with the next steps within 1 to 2 weeks. If you have any further questions or need any additional information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Again, thank you for your time and we look forward to connecting with you soon. Have a great day.
Thank you also, ma'am, for taking the time to interview me today. I truly appreciate the opportunity to learn more about the role on your team. I am excited about the possibility of contributing to your company and look forward for the next steps. Have a great day as well.